Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today is my second video in the Couponer's Guide to Gifting. My gift idea today is for that person on the go or a college student who lives in a dorm. So this is a very practical gift to give to a college student or someone on the go. It's $19.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. This is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It has a 6-egg capacity. You can turn it on, go do your hair or makeup, and come back and it will turn itself off. It has an auto shut off feature, but it does play this little tune, I'll let you hear it in a minute, that will continue to play until you go hit the button. So you could literally put your eggs in, go take a shower, and when you get out, they'll be done. So if you want to see how this rapid egg cooker works, just keep watching. Okay, this is my gift idea for the person on the go. It's a rapid egg cooker. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is what it looks like. You just take the cord, you plug it in. This is how it will come. Take everything out of here. I'm going to show you how to do boiled eggs. So for that person who's always running late and needs a breakfast to go quickly, this will make boiled eggs, it'll make poached eggs, you can make omelets with it even. These are the little omelet cups. You just break an egg in there, throw some ham in there, it's good to go. These are also, you can use these for the poached eggs, or you can make an omelet with this. You put your egg in there, throw some cheese, ham, stuff like that, set it on top of here, cook it with the lid on, and it works. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you how to make boiled eggs. So we want hard-boiled eggs, so we're going to fill the water up to this line here. So I filled my water up to the hard area, and then I'm just going to pour it in here, like so. So we pour our water in like that. We're going to make 2 eggs. On the end of this that you use for the water, there's a little poker thing. So you're going to just push it down and poke a hole in your egg, just like that. You set it on there. Get your other egg. Poke a little hole in it. Set it on there. And we're just gonna pop our lid on. Now, we're gonna hit the button to start it. And then we can put this little cap right back on so our poker thing stays protected. Throw your little thing back in there so you can put it all back in your thing when it's done. And then we just let it cook. Now we can go do our makeup, our hair, whatever, while this does its thing. So when you hear that, it's done, and then you just hit the button again. Oh. Sorry, I'm fixing my kids. And then you let it sit, or you can pop the top off and let them cool off for a minute. Say hi to Katie. Say hi, Katie. Say hi, Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. Kate decided to come in here and join me while I Showed you how the egg cooker worked. Okay, so the eggs are super hot. You'll see all the water is gone inside, just a little bit of steam left. Take them over the sink, and I'll peel them for you. And there you have a boiled egg. With your yellow inside. It's hot. So if you have any other gifts for people who are on the go or college students who don't have kitchens to cook in, put them in the comments down below. I'd like to know what they are. It could also help out other people. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn notifications off to get a notification anytime I post a video. If you haven't given this video a big thumbs up yet, please do so. As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by to see my gifting ideas this week. I am also working on Vlogmas, so if you're interested in seeing that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to go check out the other creators in the description box below who are part of this Couponer's Guide to Gifting. I'm going to put a playlist below as well. There will be a video for each day. You should really go check out the other creators as well and go ahead and subscribe to their channel if you want to learn about saving money. These are some excellent resources to help you. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Thanks again. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.